Probably wondering, what the hell am I looking at now? What's this crazy guy doing?
Oh, my sweet Jesus.
So I wanted to bring in screenshots and have them saved as sprites so that you can reuse them. So I built some custom actions for that. It's a little complex, but I'll show you what I mean. If I hit a button, I'm going to take a screenshot. There we go. Nice little screenshot. And I could load a file now, and I can see that again, right? I can keep seeing it all I want. I could take another screenshot right there, and I can hit load. I can see that one, right? And I can do this all day. And right now I'm just overriding the actual file being made. So it's only actually making one file, but I can change the file name, and I could, every time I click this, I can create a new one, and I could have a whole plethora of screenshots here if I really wanted to, right? There's the old one. There's a new one. And I just wanted to show you guys that, and ultimately how I don't really have a whole lot of logic to show you in the ways of how different ways you could use it, I guess, but I'll show you the actions. So I have this guy called save screenshot, and you can give it a file name, and then it will save that into the files. Now because you're saving and loading at the same time, it doesn't happen over one frame. So this action is a little different than most actions. It doesn't have like an every frame or anything like that, but it doesn't happen in one frame as well as like every other action. This one actually takes 3 frames. So it's typically better on its own, and then it'll fail or it'll succeed. Now, I added this, nope, where is it? Oh, I don't even have it on here, but I also have another action called delete screenshot. You don't technically need to use this, but I have it here as a safety precaution. So this will save, and if this file already exists, it'll actually override it. So you'll only ever have the one file. But we have the option here that we can delete a file if we wanted to. So I could delete that file. Like I could even show you how that works, right? Like I have wrong project, right? So we have in here, there's that save right there. Okay. Now if I hit play, this delete, it's going to delete that. Plain and simple. And the way I design this action is it's only going to delete a PNG file. So it's relatively safer in that aspect, I guess you could say. Oh, it didn't delete it. No, what the hell? I'm not that worried about it though. This was working, so I'll look at it briefly. But it was a delete. Oh, I didn't hit the button. I thought this was a start. Duh. Right. So if I hit this now, it actually goes into that state and deletes it. Now if I check, oh man. That file's gone. It's no longer there. It's been deleted, right? But like I said, like, you don't have to do it because this actually overrides that file anyways. There's also just a flat out load, so you could save, you know, and this is for a save system. Maybe if you want an image of the gameplay, when you hit the save button, you save the game and you save a screenshot. Now you can use this screenshot for the loading system, or I don't know, or it could be good for a quest system as well. You could save things, but I've also got on its own a load, And the purpose of this one I put in solely for you just want to load anything, right? Like if it's a save game, right? Like if I hit play, like we were out of play mode, I can go into play, and if I hit save, because it's not only taking a screenshot, it's actually physically creating a file. So it's saving a file into your persistent data path, right? But if I come out of play mode now and I come into play mode, it's all saved. So it takes a screenshot, saves a screenshot, loads a screenshot in, puts it into a sprite for you, right? And I can hit that load, and there it is, right? So it's persistent between plays and saves and everything else. Now I can't guarantee usage on mobiles and stuff with this. I'm not a mobile guru. There might be something there that doesn't quite jive. I'm not 100% sure. Someone would have to test that. But anywho, if you wanted, I'm going to put these into the GitHub, and that's, I guess it's a tutorial technically, because you have an action that will save a screenshot, and then it gives you the screenshot virtually right away. It said it waits 3 frames, but virtually right away. And then what you do with that is entirely up to you, right? Whether we want to, when you start a game, you check for your save file, whatever, you go to load it. You also load in that thing and load it into the button for an image type of idea or something like that, an icon, whatever. But the idea is you got to save and load of a screenshot system, and it's super easy. You literally have an action there that does it, and an action there that will load, and another action for deleting, just in case you happen to need it. So you don't even have to use this one, but it's there just in case, right? It's a little extra bonus. So anyways, catch you guys in the next video.